Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk a bit on usage of can and can't. So let's get started. Can and can't can be used in four ways. The first is can is used as a modal auxiliary verb. Can is used to express ability or to say that something is possible. Can is the same for all subjects. We don't add an s in the third person like in other words we use. Now, s, es and is we use in present indefinite tense with third persons. Third persons are he, she, it, they or any singular name that comes in third person. But when we talk about can, we don't use s, es and is with third persons. The verb that comes after can is in the infinitive without to. So let's see its detailed explanation in the next slide. First one, I can speak French. I can speak Spanish. Now it's possible for me to speak French, means it's my ability to speak French or Spanish, means I have the ability to speak Spanish or French. He can swim well. Again, it's ability that he can swim well. I can see my brother in the garden. They can play a football match. The three main uses of can are, the first is ability. Can is used for ability, can is used for possibility, and can is used for permission. However, there are some other uses of can as we will see below. The first one is to express the ability. We use can. Like can mean to be physically able to do something or to know how to do something. Sparrow can fly. So sparrow can fly. It's what? It's sparrow's ability that sparrow can fly. The same, giraffes can't fly. And the third example that is I can speak 5 languages. Now it's my ability that I can speak 5 languages. The second step, that is to express possibility in general. This refers to a theoretical possibility. Note, we don't use can for talking about future possibilities. Remember, this is the main point, that we don't use can for talking about future possibilities. For this you would use may or might. May or might is also a modal auxiliary verb. Like it can get cold there at night, so take a jacket. So it means it's possibility that there will be cold. I know you can win the competition. Well, I think your car can be repaired, but it's not going to be cheap. And the third, that is to offer to do something for others. The third usage is to offer to do something for others. Can is used when you offer to help someone or to do something for them. Like, you don't need to walk home. I can take you there if you like. Means it's something like I'm offering to someone that I can drop you to your home. And the second is that I carry your luggage. Can't or can't. So both pronunciations are right. To form the negative, we add not after can to form one word like can't. We can also contract the negative to form like can't. So it's contracted form. Can't or cannot. I cannot play the piano. We can't go to the cinema tonight. She can't speak Spanish very well. He can't drive a car. To ask or give permission to request something, we also use can. Like can is used to ask for a request permission or to give permission. Note, can is used to refuse. Can't is used to refuse permission. Like you can use my umbrella. I don't need it right now. And can I sit in that chair, please? Means I am requesting someone. I am taking permission from someone. Can I ask you a question? You can't go to the park. It will still be wet from the rain last night. We can't leave the room until the assignment is completed. And can't, something that is forbidden or not allowed, we also use can't. You can't drive as fast as you want in the city. There are speed limits. Means you are not allowed to drive the car as fast as possible. There are speed limits. Means we forbid someone, we don't allow someone, then we also use can't. You can't smoke in a restaurant. You can't smoke in the bus. You don't drive a car without a license. Can't. When you are sure that something is not true or something is surprising, then we also use can't. Like, it can't be dark outside. It's only 4:30 p.m. They can't have landed on the moon. I'm sure it's a hoax. To form the question, we change the position of the subject and the auxiliary verb, like the main verb is still in the infinitive without to. Where can I buy ice cream? Can I go to the party, please? Means we don't use infinitive in can. Like, can you speak Japanese? Infinitive means like to plus first form of the verb that comes in infinitive. What can we do on Saturday? Note, remember that you can use short answers in like using can or can't. Can I sit here, please? Yes, you can. So it's a short answer. Can you speak Chinese? No, I can't. It's again short answer, but here we have used can't, and in the first sentence we have just used can. And here's a short assignment for you all, guys. Make 5 sentences on can and make 5 sentences on can't. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.